Good morning, everyone. Welcome to GS Nexus Current Affairs series. Today, our discussion will be around Indian achievement in space docking with Indigenous system. Let's first see why this is new. India has joined an exclusive group of countries capable of space docking with the successful launch of the SpaceX mission, which demonstrated the country's indigenously developed Bharatiya docking system. An Indian-made rocket has blasted off from a site north of China, carrying two satellites which will test space docking. Docking is crucial for manned travel to moon or supporting space station. Announcing the successful accomplishment of the launch, Indian Space Research Organization Chief Sridhar Somnath said the rocket has placed the satellite in right orbit. The two spacecraft began testing process on Tuesday and the final docking will take place around 7th January. India hopes to become only the fourth country with such technology after Russia, the United States and China. Prime Minister has previously announced plans to send person to moon by 2040. The SpaceX mission is a significant milestone, making ISRO's 99th launch. The mission aims to demonstrate the technology for rendezvousing, docking and undocking two small spacecrafts in low Earth orbit, with the final docking expected by January 7, 2025. This technology is vital for future long space missions including Chandrayaan 4, the planned Indian space station and the Gaganyaan mission. The successful demonstration of space docking capabilities positioning India to make lead in the development of more complex space technology for future missions. The Indian Space Research Organization is also preparing a series of missions in 2025, starting with the launch of NVS-02 satellite in January aboard the GSLV, which aims to enhance the India's Navik satellite navigation system. ISRO is also focused on Chandrayaan 4 mission, which will require docking to complete its lunar exploration journey. Now, let's know about Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. ISRO is the space agency of India. The organization is involved in science, engineering, and technology to harvest the benefit of outer space of India and mankind. ISRO is a major constituent of the Department of Space under Government of India. The department executes the Indian space program primarily through various centers or units within ISRO. Formerly known as the Indian National Committee for Space Research, it was set up in 1962 by then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru on the recommendation of scientist Vikram Sarabhai. It was renamed as ISRO in 1969. ISRO has its headquarters in Bangalore. ISRO built India's first satellite Aryabhat, which was launched by the former USSR Space Agency Inter-Cosmos in 1975. Now, let's know the major achievements of ISRO. India's first satellite, Aryabhat, launched in 1975 by USSR. India's first satellite launched by its launch vehicle, the SLV-3 Rohini satellite series in 1980. INSAT-1B, part of Indian National Satellite System for Telecommunication, Broadcasting and Meteorology, launched in 1983. Chandrayaan 1, India's first lunar probe which discovered water molecules on the moon, launched in 2008. Mars Orbiter Mission, Mangalyaan, India's first interplanetary mission which made India the first Asian nation to reach Martian orbit, launched in 2013. IRNSS-1C, part of Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System for providing accurate position information, launched in 2014. AstroSat, India's first dedicated multi-wavelength space observatory for aeronautical observation, launched in 2015. Cartosat-2, high-resolution Earth observation satellite for cartographic and military applications, launched in 2017. Chandrayaan-2, India's second lunar mission aimed at exploring India's South Pole region, was partially successful, launched in 2019. Aditya L1, India's first solar mission to study Sun's corona and chromosphere, launched in 2023. Chandrayaan-3, to demonstrate the ability to safely land on Moon and deploy a rover for exploration, launched in 2023. X-ray polarimeter satellite launched to navigate the polarization of cosmic rays and examine 50 brightest known celestial objects launched in 2024. Now let's have a look on upcoming space mission of ISRO. First, the NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar, that is NISAR. NISAR mission is a joint Earth observation project between NASA and ISRO that is scheduled to launch in March 2025. Second is Gaganyaan 1, the first test flight of the Gaganyaan spacecraft designed to carry 3 astronauts, the country's first crewed space flight program. Third is Venus Orbiter Mission, that is Sukrayaan, an orbiter mission to study the atmosphere of Venus. Fourth is Mangalyaan 2, India's second planetary mission to Mars is primarily an orbiter mission. Fifth is Chandrayaan 4 and sixth is Bharatiya Antariksh Station. That's all for today. For more such videos, stay tuned to GS Nexus.